really enjoyed the Aris LaTham events. It was a blessing actually because we were able to not only learn about gourmet food preparation, but the science of food, the science of the body, actually understanding how to be in rhythm with the body while preparing the most beautiful, healthy, and nutritious gourmet, raw, vegan, or sun-fired food. Since the event, I have gone home to implement these things. After hands-on learning over 20 dishes, went home on fire, ready to implement. And my family, including the meat eaters in my family, have been cleaning the plate. So I really give thanks. I think everyone should get to the event. It is life-changing, and you will not be the same. And try to be a teacher's assistant because I think you get even more at that point.
I had a grand time at Aris LaTham's workshop today. It was awesome. I learned so much about how I can have a more healthy life. The most important thing to me was that if I'm traveling or if I'm going out to eat with friends and they're eating something that is not really healthy, then he taught me that I can choose different things off the menu. So I've actually put that in practice. I went to a restaurant and I was able to create like a spinach salad with nuts, and it was just amazing. So I'm really grateful for that. The other thing is that it enhanced my yoga practice. I teach yoga every day, and since the workshop, I really have been feeling so much better spiritually. So I'm really grateful for the workshop. It changed my life.
We had a great time at the Aris LaTham workshop, learned a lot about the food, pretty much the creativity, the opportunity to keep it simple, some great flavors. At this point, I pretty much feel like I got the world in my hands. I can take it anywhere I want. Also, you don't need the fancy machines. You don't need an extreme juicer. You can do things simple and still get the great results. So from that, I'm excited. Looking forward to take it to the next level.